There we go. We are recording, Craig. This is Craig and his 57 Beetle. Guess he wants to go for a ride.
Yeah. Video of it inside.
Uh-oh, Liz wants to come. In the back. We're still in R mode.
Excellent. While it drives.
Automatically, huh?
Your message after the tone.
Charlie, it's your mother. I'm at Blue Hour. I wanted to take Aunt Linda someplace nice for her birthday. Well, she showed up in a tube top. I said, honey, you're 65. Your tube top might as well be tube socks, because that's where your boobs ended up. Oh, she just stormed out. Bella's been so moody. Anyway, can you come and get me? Thanks. Bye.
97.1 Charlie FM.
We seem to have a horn that likes to honk. Yee-haw! I guess you gotta get out and play with the wires again. Oh, it doesn't honk when you go right.
That girl that we were keeping her, did you get a picture of her?
On their bicycle, yeah.
No, the one with the dog.
that. Make it stop by hitting the brakes, Craig.
Yeah.
Want to see the local bums?
Okay.
We got.
There we go. It's doing it again. Now let's get that bump. Just looking at it.
I don't think it's going to this time.
Let's get out of here.
Pull over on the street and fix it.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. Every time you turn right, it quits. Craig fixing his horn. All disconnected?
No.
Just quit honking, huh?
One of them did. I don't know how good the other one's still on.
Liz likes your convertible.
Really?
Yeah, she's got her head. She's just sitting there looking out the window.
Yeah.
The horn honk ride around the block.
Wow, that was fun.
CharlieFM.com.
There we go again. The honkamobile.
Oh, what makes it on?
Well, it works on a grounding circuit, so you got to wire this grounding out.
Yeah, that's odd, isn't it? Yeah, it works on the grounding circuit.
Back at Bug Central.
Check that hood.
Oh, there goes your battery. tire's catching it.
It's not in there. Yeah, it's flat too. It's very flat. Maybe put some air in it.
Yeah, you might need it someday. All right, I'm going to quit recording.